Hi, my lovely ladies. My name is Bren, and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. You can receive 30% off most pieces by entering the promo code BEAUTIFULYOU at checkout. When Jon Renau is allowing their sales, you can enter JR30 and receive 30% off of those pieces as well. Wig Studio One also provides a large online support group on Facebook. It is called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. When you join, you'll find a lot of ladies just like you suffering from hair loss, whether it may be from trichotillomania, chemo, heredity, whatever the case may be, we're there to help you and support you through it. It does get easier, I promise you that. And it gets so much easier when you have the encouragement of other women that know what you're going through, because it's just so lonely, but it doesn't have to be. I have a YouTube channel. It is called Fake Hair Real Talk with Bren. And on that channel, I share with you tips and tricks that I've learned along my hair loss journey, which has been pretty crazy. I also sell pieces that I have reviewed and pieces that I've purchased on my own. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all hop over and join me, and I'd love to see y'all there. Hi guys, thanks for joining me for this wig review. This is Julianne by Jon Renau, and she's in 12FS12, which is Malibu blonde. It's my favorite blonde. Let's talk about the color first. She is described as light golden brown, light natural gold blonde, and pale natural gold blonde blend, shaded with the light golden brown, which is right there. Here's her front, the roots. She is a fully hand-tied cap, which is so stretchy and comfortable, guys. If you don't have hair, hand-tied cap. She's a full mono top, which means you can part her any direction. She has a great lace front. She has Velcro adjusters. She does have an extended nape. Velvet ear tabs with the adjusters. Let me see if her nape has those. The nape has the metal adjusters in there as well, and it helps hold snugly to your head. Is that a word, snugly? Firmly. Look how cute these curls. I want a lever, but I haven't gotten there. I'll show you. And maybe y'all can help me. This one is spicy, and I haven't done a review on her, but I'm going to soon. I mean, I think she's cute, but I'm just thinking she's so different than what I normally wear. I would just get some Peace Out cream and swirl these together if I didn't want to pull her off the face. These curls are so cute. Let me show you her lace front. And I personally would trim that with pinking shears. And Jon Renau has their own brand. I have some around here somewhere, but I don't know where they're at. Okay, let's go over measurements. My head is 21 inches around. From hairline to the tip of my chin is 8, and my neck is 4. So if that helps y'all when I say measurements, maybe y'all can kind of gauge where she'll fall on you. The front, the bang is 10.5. The crown is 12.25. The sides are 9.5. And the nape is 5.75. She weighs 3.5 ounces. With her having the shorter sides, she's got some layers in here that I think are just so cute. What I have found with these wavy ones, they seem to do better if I part them on the opposite direction. And I don't know why. But I think it like lifts it off my face a little more. Maybe not. You can part her in the middle. You could try that. That's kind of cute. You could also put a full bang in her. Now that could be really cute. And you could part her to the left or the right. So she's super versatile. And, you know, I think, well, first off, water bottles will be your best friend with this piece. And a steamer. I would steam this, and then I would steam that. But look how cute she is. Pulled back because of those cute curls. You could pull her, you know, here and clip her. And the cool thing is, this is my hair right there. Okay, guys, let's do a spin. She's really cute. I just don't know. I haven't found that perfect way to do her. You know what I mean? But I think it's there. She's just so different than what I'm used to wearing, but I think she's really cute. Let's see. She has permatease all right here. Let me see. All right here. She has it here too, but I don't think it's as much as it is here. But to me, it's not an annoying amount at all. Okay, let's go outside so y'all can see this color in natural lighting. Hi guys. Okay, this color, I just love this blonde so much. I love y'all, but not enough to drop my MacBook. Alright guys, bye. If this helped, like and subscribe. Love y'all.